Welcome back to my channel, and I hope that you're doing well. Today is Friday, the 11th of April, and I'm really excited as this is my first hunting weekend for the 2025 season. I'll be targeting blue wildebeest in the Naboomspruit area in the Limpopo province in South Africa. I've never been to this farm. It's the first time I'll be hunting on this farm. There's no hides or blinds that's built, so I will have to rely on walk and stalk, and I'll probably try and build a bush blind if possible, if I need to sit and see if I can get close enough to an animal to shoot. So join along and let's see how it goes. It's day one. I'm shooting a few arrows to make sure my sight didn't move and that everything is still fine. And then we'll go out and see if I can shoot a blue wildebeest. So while we're looking at the animals coming in and waiting for them to get close enough so that I can try and take a shot, I want to give you a bit of a background of how this hunt went and tell you a funny story that happened as well. So the morning, the farm worker came to pick me up. I was dressed in camo and he was dressed in navy blue overalls from head to toe. And he said he'll be accompanying me for a short while to show me which bulls I was allowed to shoot and which I was not allowed to shoot. So we go out, and while we're walking to the camp where we will be shooting, I told him that if we spot the blue wildebeest, we will have to go on all fours because we need to get close to the animals. And then if I go on all fours, you should go on all fours as well so that we can hide behind the grass and that we can get close enough to stalk them. So we got to the camp and we spot the blue wildebeest and we start a stalk. And I go on all fours and I show him you should go on all fours as well. And it's the perfect conditions. The wind is in our face coming from the blue wildebeest, and I start crawling bow on the ground and my hands on the ground, and I'm crawling and crawling, and I hear the blue wildebeest blow at us, but I couldn't understand why they were blowing at us because there's no way they could see us. We were completely under the grass, and I sat still for a few minutes and then started crawling again. And the blue wildebeest started blowing again, and you could hear more of them blowing. And I decided to look behind me, and I looked behind me and hear the guy that works on the farm with his blue overall standing up straight, and he was walking behind me for about 20 meters while I was crawling through the grass. So that didn't work out so well. I then got up and the blue wildebeest started running, and I explained to him that I know which ones I can shoot and that he can go back. So after that, I found this tree and I set up everything. But unfortunately, the animals only came in to about 70 meters. So they were too far for me to shoot. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. It's 10 to 5 and it's almost dark. Unfortunately, I was not successful to harvest the blue wildebeest today. I did, however, have very exciting stalks, and the closest I was able to get to them was 70 yards or 70 meters. The farm is quite open and there's not a lot of trees, so there's not a lot of places to hide. I also tried sitting the afternoon by the water trough, but unfortunately no animals came in. But yeah, that's the end of my first hunt for 2025. Hopefully I'll be more successful on the next one. And I'm gonna go back to camp. I'm gonna start a nice fire. I'm gonna braai and I'm gonna enjoy my night. Hope you guys enjoy yours as well. Morning guys, it's day one. I'm sitting in the first hide over food and water. Hopefully I can shoot the blue wildebeest here today. Very excited. Let's see how it goes. Is hy? Alrighty. Is dit 'n rammetjie? Ja, ek moet net sê, joh.
Baie mooi skoot. Sorry. Mooi skoot.
I had a great shot on the first Impala. I shot her through the heart, and about 40 meters further, we found her where she has died. And on the second Impala, unfortunately, I shot left an eye, and as you can see on the video, it didn't get much penetration. We quickly got on the blood trail, and we found her again where I had to shoot her a second time, where she quickly expired and we could go fetch her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please share your thoughts. Please comment. Please subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.